Kia ora koutou, I'm Lauren Parsons and I'm looking forward to this session on getting a grip on time. Do you ever feel overwhelmed or have a never-ending to-do list and just wish you could fit more into your day? Do you find you're always busy but you don't feel like you're really making headway? Robin Pierce, known as the Time Queen, has developed the fantastic Getting a Grip programs which have helped thousands of people to solve their productivity challenges. I feel really privileged to have been extensively trained and experienced in all the Getting a Grip materials. I love helping people discover the best ways to plan and prioritise, to achieve more in less time, to hold more effective meetings, and to discover the secrets to never running late or dropping the ball on important things. Together, we'll cover topics like the 4 keys to managing your time, how to overcome the most common challenges, how to ensure you're focusing on the right things at the right times, mastering procrastination, how to be more proactive and effective, how to factor in sanity gaps to retain balance, and tons of other time-saving tips and tricks to improve efficiency. So I'll look forward to seeing you at the session.